Hello everybody, welcome to Bharatnatyam Dance 101. I am Veena and today we will see Tatta Kudichi Metta Adav, step number 4. Let's start with the leg, which is very much similar to the previous Adav as well. Hands in Pataka, hands on the back. Aramandalam. Steady, steady, jump. Now let's look at the hands. For the hands we have 3 Pataka mudra. Hands will be here, below your neck, elbows up. Now you need to have the 3 Pataka in this position, looking towards you, and you need to put your hand like this, diagonally up like this. Okay, you need to have thigh, thigh, another thigh will be like this, first thigh, second thigh, and then for the third will be jump. So you need to make your palm again facing towards you. So it will be thigh, thigh, tat, tat. Yes, for that you need to just bring your shoulders inside, like earlier you used to do that. You need to get it like that. Like that. Here you need to just pull it inside a little, that, and then release it. So when you have that, your palm look like this, and when you release it, the palm goes towards the audience. To the left, same thing. Thigh, thigh, tat, ta, dhit, thigh, ta, ha. Now where to look? When you have your palm up here, you look at the hand. Thigh, thigh, ta, ta. After the ta, you look straight. Dhit, thigh, ta, ha. Look at the hand. After thigh, ta, after release, you look straight. Now let's see both hands and legs together. Ki, ta, ta, ki. Thigh, thigh, ta. Now let's do all the 3 speeds. Ki, ta, ta, ki. Thigh, thigh, ta. Ki, ta, ta, ki. Thigh, thigh, ta, ta. Thigh, ta, ha. Thigh, ta, ta. Ta. Ki, ta, ta, ki. Thigh, thigh, ta. Thigh, thigh, ta. Well, that was method of step number 4. Please do practice it. I'm Veena and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.